In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Robinhood account for beginners step by step. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and tap on Sign Up. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and continue. Next, verify your email using the code sent to your inbox. After that, enter your full name, date of birth, and home address exactly as shown on your documents. Now, add your phone number and confirm it with the verification code. You'll then be asked to provide your social security number for identity verification, so enter it carefully. Next, answer a few simple questions about your investing experience and financial goals. After that, link your bank account by selecting your bank and signing in, or choose manual setup if needed. Once your account is created, tap on the menu and go to Settings to review your profile details. You can also enable features like two-factor authentication and biometric login for better security. To start investing, tap on Transfer or Deposit, add funds from your bank, and wait for them to settle. Then, use the search option to find stocks, view details, and place your first order. Start with small amounts and explore the app features to get comfortable. And that's it, your Robinhood account is fully set up and ready to use. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.